How to get Snapchat Plus Plus. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I'm going to show you how you can get Snapchat Plus Plus on your phone. So first of all, go into the settings. Now tap on a search bar and type install, and under the install, tap on install unknown apps. And if you scroll down, you came across a section where it says install unknown apps. Tap here. Now scroll down, click on Chrome, tap on, now wait here for 10 seconds. After that, tap on OK. Now go to the home screen and open the Chrome browser. Tap in a search bar and type xenoapps.net. Now after that, type in a search bar and type Snapchat. Now after that, tap on install. Tap on download anyway. Go in the download section, and under the download section, you can install the application. So guys, just like that, you can get the Snapchat application right in your phone. That is it in this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.